Today, we're diving deep into the world of gadgets, but not just any gadgets. We're talking about the game changers, the ones pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. You know, the kind of tech that makes you go, whoa, and I need that in my life at the same time. So buckle up, because we're about to explore some seriously mind-blowing innovations. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with something truly next level, the Botnono robot. Now, we've all seen our fair share of AI assistants, but Botnono is in a league of its own. This isn't just a speaker that answers your questions. It's a full-blown companion robot powered by the insanely powerful ChatGPT 4o. I'm talking about natural voice interactions, real-time information at your beck and call, and even smart home control, all wrapped up in one sleek package. But here's where Botnono really sets itself apart. It's got this incredibly expressive face that actually reacts to what you're saying. It's crazy how much personality they've managed to pack into this thing. It's not just about functionality, it's about creating a genuine connection. And that's something you don't see every day in the world of tech. And hold up, because it gets even better. Botnono isn't just a cool gadget, it's also a vigilant guardian for your home. We're talking 24/7 home patrol, fire hazard detection. It can even recognize if an elderly family member has fallen and needs assistance. That kind of peace of mind is priceless, especially in today's world. Honestly, Botnono feels like a glimpse into the future of home robotics. It's not just a gadget, it's a companion, a helper, and a serious game changer in the AI space. Okay, let's shift gears now and talk about something that's small in size but big on power, the RUNK portable power bank. We all know the struggle of our devices dying at the worst possible moment, but with RUNK, those low battery anxieties become a thing of the past. Now you might be thinking, another power bank? What's so special about this one? Well, let me tell you, RUNK is all about that perfect balance of portability and power. This thing is seriously tiny. I'm talking easily fits in your pocket, your smallest purse, even your wallet, tiny. But don't let its size fool you. It packs a serious punch with a 30-watt charging output and a 3,000 milliamp hour capacity. That means you can juice up your phone multiple times without even breaking a sweat. And the best part? It's so sleek and stylish, it doesn't even feel like you're carrying around a power bank. It's like a little tech accessory that just elevates your whole vibe. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a digital nomad, or just someone who's always on the go, RUNK is the ultimate pocket-sized companion. It's one of those gadgets you don't realize you need until you have it, and then you can't imagine life without it. Trust me on this one. Alright, let's talk about something that's going to revolutionize your couch potato game, the Fiisto Coucha. I'm all about that cozy life, but sometimes you just need a little something extra to take your relaxation to the next level. And that's where Coucha comes in. This thing is a game changer for anyone who loves to work, play, or just chill out on the couch. Imagine this, you're settled in, binge watching your favorite show, and you realize your phone's about to die. But instead of getting up, you just reach over and pop it on the Coucha's built-in wireless charger. Or maybe you're working from home and need a change of scenery. Coucha's got you covered with a spacious surface, adjustable lighting, and even a built-in fan to keep you cool and focused. And hold up, because it gets even better. We're talking a Bluetooth speaker for immersive sound, a snack compartment, because priorities, and even ambient lighting to set the mood. Coucha is basically like a Swiss Army knife of couch accessories, and I'm here for it. It's modular, so you can customize it to fit your space and your needs, and it's designed to blend seamlessly with your existing furniture. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a homebody, or just someone who appreciates a good life hack, the Fiisto Coucha is a game changer. NiteEase, the ultimate bedside companion. Let's be real, our bedside tables can get pretty cluttered, right? But what if I told you there's a gadget that can streamline your entire nighttime routine and make your life a whole lot easier? Introducing NiteEase, the smart bedside cabinet that's about to become your new favorite thing. This isn't just a place to put your phone and a glass of water. NiteEase is like a command center for your nightstand. First off, it's got multiple charging ports, and I'm not just talking USB, we're talking wireless charging too. So whether you're Team Android or Team Apple, NiteEase has got you covered. But it's more than just a charging station. NiteEase is also a smart home hub. You can control your lights, your thermostat, even your security system, all from the comfort of your bed. And let's not forget about the adjustable lighting, perfect for reading before bed or creating a relaxing ambiance. And if you're anything like me, you've probably got a drawer full of random stuff cluttering up your nightstand. Well, NiteEase has thought of that too, with its built-in storage compartment that's perfect for books, glasses, or anything else you need to keep close at hand. Honestly, NiteEase is one of those gadgets that just makes sense. It's practical, it's stylish, and it's going to make your life a whole lot easier. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your bedroom and simplify your routine, NiteEase is the way to go. Gympad Bench level up your home workouts. Alright, fitness fanatics, this one's for you. Let's talk about the Gympad Bench, the all-in-one home gym solution that's about to change the way you work out. Now we've all seen those bulky home gym setups that take up half your living room, but Gympad Bench is all about maximizing space and efficiency without compromising on results. This thing is incredibly versatile, offering a wide range of workout options in a compact design. We're talking adjustable angles for incline, decline, and flat bench presses, customizable workouts to target specific muscle groups, and even a rower mode for a full-body cardio blast. But here's where Gympad Bench really sets itself apart. It's not just a piece of equipment, it's a complete fitness ecosystem. It comes with an advanced app that tracks your progress, creates personalized workout plans, and even provides on-demand coaching. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, Gympad Bench has something for everyone. It's like having a personal trainer, a fully equipped gym, and a data analyst all rolled into one compact package. GENIE, the future of guitar playing is here, calling all music lovers and aspiring musicians. Get ready to meet the GENIE, the smart sampler guitar that's about to revolutionize the way you play and create music. Now we've seen our fair share of innovative instruments, but GENIE takes things to a whole new level. This isn't just your average acoustic guitar, it's a technological marvel that seamlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovation. Imagine this, you're strumming your guitar, and you want to add some percussion, some loops, maybe even some orchestral arrangements. With GENIE, you can do all of that and more, right from the instrument itself. It's got this incredible touch-sensitive interface that lets you trigger samples, effects, and loops, essentially turning your guitar into a full-blown production studio. And with a library of over 10,000 songs and sounds built right in, the creative possibilities are literally endless. But here's the really cool part. GENIE is designed for everyone, from seasoned pros to absolute beginners. Whether you're just starting out or you've been playing for years, GENIE makes it easy to explore new sounds, experiment with different genres, and unleash your inner musical genius. Catbula Pro, the ultimate litter box for your feline overlord. Okay, cat parents, this one's for you, and your furry overlords. Let's be real, traditional litter boxes can be, well, kind of a pain. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to keep your cat happy and your home smelling fresh, all without lifting a finger? Introducing the Catbula Pro, the spacious, odorless, auto-pack litter box that's about to change the game for cat owners everywhere. Now you might be thinking, it's just a litter box, how revolutionary can it be? But trust me, Catbula Pro is on a whole other level. First off, it's designed specifically for larger cat breeds, so your feline friend has plenty of room to do their business in comfort, and with its advanced odor-free technology, you can say goodbye to those unpleasant litter box aromas. But here's where Catbula Pro really shines. It's fully automatic. That means it scoops itself so you don't have to. It even packs the waste into odor-proof bags, so all you have to do is empty it every few weeks. But it gets even better. Catbula Pro also features AI health monitoring. It tracks your cat's litter box usage and can even detect potential health issues, giving you peace of mind and helping you provide the best possible care for your furry friend. Let's be honest, no one loves dealing with litter boxes. But Catbula Pro makes it as painless as possible for both you and your cat. It's hygienic, it's convenient, and it's one of those gadgets that you'll wonder how you ever lived without. And there you have it, folks. 7 mind-blowing gadgets that are guaranteed to upgrade your life in some pretty awesome ways. We've covered a lot of ground today, but now it's your turn to weigh in. Which one of these gadgets blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm always down for a good tech conversation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.